2, 1. Activate.
Here we go, we have a fight with starting round 3 with a very animalistic fight. Battle of household legends, Goose and Crab. Goose seemingly first of all focusing in on the arena wall. Getting a real nice hug from the Crab, squeezed together and slowly releasing.
Enable.
We aren't seeing much movement from the Goose. The Goose is dead! No! The hug of death! The Goose guy is going crazy. He's tearing the door open.
Fight pause.
The fight has been paused. A classic intervention from one of the event organisers there. Very sportsmanlike. Very above board. Very traditional. But yet again, as the Goose trails for his life, the Crab hugs it. There we go, a lovely release there. The pit was available in the last fight. I don't know if it counts in this fight because who knows what the rules are anymore. There we go, yeah, we're going to say pit button.
Just enter.
There you go, Milo has opened his first pit. Incredible run there, the pit is now open. The question is, can the Crab see off the Goose? Here comes that crushing hug again that has killed the Goose already once. Let's see it over, let's see it go! Oh, so nice! I think we should continue, I want to see the